This is Frank with Teachly University, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. And I just want to tell you a little bit about Teachly University, what inspired me to create it, and why I think this is a great channel for you to be a part of and learn from. So, just to tell you a little bit about myself, I graduated in December of 2008 with a degree in finance. And for those of you who remember, back in 2008, and maybe some of you who are watching are too young to remember, that was right around the time of the U.S. financial crisis, which was basically the biggest financial crisis since the Great Depression. And millions of Americans lost their jobs and their homes. The stock market crashed. I mean, it was economic carnage. And as a young college graduate being thrusted into this volatile economic environment, it was a very challenging period of my life. And I spent a number of years after I graduated really struggling financially, struggling personally, feeling like I was lost and not sure what I wanted to do, and really how I was going to be able to accomplish my dreams. And maybe all of you who are watching this right now kind of feel that way, where we have these desires and goals, but we're just not sure how to get there. It just seems very vague and cloudy, and just we're not sure how to be able to get what we want to get. And that's why I created Teachly University. It's an education platform that is designed to cover topics related to entrepreneurship, personal growth, wealth building, and creativity, where these are fields and skills that if we learn how to master, we'll be able to put ourselves in a position where we can accomplish almost any of our goals that we wish to accomplish and achieve. And that's something that I want all of us to do is really to be a part of a community of learners where we can all learn from one another and achieve all of our dreams and goals together. And that's why I create Teachly University. It's an education platform that is really geared to help us make the most out of what we have and ultimately live better lives. And whether you're a young professional, a college graduate, or you're an adult learner or someone who's later on in life who maybe just needs to learn new information and skills that can improve your life in one way or the other, Teachly University is perfect for you. So thank you so much for watching. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you can watch all my latest lectures and courses. And if you have any questions, please email me at myteachly@yahoo.com. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.